welcome back to another unboxing obsession video. If you are new to my channel and you do enjoy watching unboxings of all sorts of monthly subscription boxes, some product reviews, some travel and adventure videos, then you are more than welcome to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, then woohoo, welcome back, my beautifuls. Thank you so much for the love and thank you so much for the support. I do appreciate you guys a lot. Welcome back, and today I am back to share with you guys a gift box company. So this is called Jaslynn Box. On their website you can go and you can create your own gift box, or you can shop already made gift boxes. Okay, with this pandemic going on, I think this is the way to go right now at the moment, to send your loved ones a little something, right? So with that said, guys, let's go ahead and get started. I'm really excited to see what they sent me. So I will leave you guys all the links and details, prices, and all that information, because this is a gift box. It's not a subscription box, so it's not like a monthly price. I do believe every gift box has different prices. So I will unbox the items with you, show you guys what I received, and then, like I said, on the description down below, I will leave all the information with all the detail items and the prices. Okay, so with that said, guys, this is what my box looks like. So there is a card here which says Jaslynn Box. Oh, I have a pen. It's like a colorful pen with a diamond on the top. Look how pretty this pen is. I love it. It's like an iridescent pen. So cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove. We'll go ahead and remove the sticker here and show you guys what I received. Oh, this is nice. Okay, look how pretty the box is. My first item is going to be inside this pouch here, and these look like scrunchies. So let's see. Okay, so I received 3 scrunchies. I love the color. So I received 2 large ones and a small one. And the material is like satin, so the material is like it's really nice and soft. This will not break your hair, which I like that. The next item, guys, is going to be, hey, I'm here for you. And what are these? Oh, these are napkins. Okay, so they're just tissues, hand tissues. You could throw this in your bag, in your book bag, whatever. Next up, I have a pearl brightening mask. Next up, I have a vegan rose water hand cream. Oh, it smells so good. I love hand creams. And this one is not that big. I can probably throw this in my bag or something. Next up, I have, what is this? Is it like a bath bomb? That's what it looks like. It smells good too. And I love the color. The color is pink. That's like my favorite color. And next up, I have this here. And it has the hanging on the top. And you get to put your sanitizer in there. Isn't this cute? This is so cute. I like this. And look how nice it is. It has like different colorful feathers, and the material is actually really nice. It's like a stretchy material, so it's not fabric, it's like a stretchy material. Super nice. I like that. And I think I have more stuff here. Let's see. These boxes, anything gets lost in here. Okay, no, I don't have any more. This is such a cute idea for a gift box, guys. I really did enjoy the stuff that I received. Like I said, I will leave you guys all the information and all the details in the description box below. And I will see you guys back soon with a different unboxing video. Bye, guys.